So my team and I, we put together this crash course about how to move to another country without being rich, just for people like you that have never moved to another country. And because we have been helping people for so long and making content online about the subject, we know what the most common questions are because we've gotten them thousands and thousands of times. So all of these questions that you see written below the video on the web page there, we are answering those questions. But not only that, we are giving you some very valuable tools, very expensive tools. Why do I say expensive? Well, if you notice, we offer a $2,000 relocation package. Matter of fact, by the time you're seeing this video, maybe the price is even more expensive than that. But the point is that we offer relocation services where we actually help you all the way through to get to another country if you really genuinely need that help all the way through. However, in this crash course right here, we're giving you the tools so you can do it yourself. So if you're willing to put in the work, these are the tools. So for example, one amazing tool would be this. It's that a lot of people don't know how to find cheap rent in other countries. When we tell people, oh, you can rent an apartment for $180 a month in such and such country, people will go, I don't believe you because I went and I Googled it and I tried to look up an apartment for that price in that country right there and I couldn't find it. And we're like, yes, we know you couldn't find it because a lot of people don't know how to do the right kind of search. And we know because we've been doing this for so many years and we want to teach you. So in the crash course, we're giving you tools like that for you to be able to move to another country without being rich. So if that is what you're looking for and you want these questions answered, the ones that are written on the website below the video, then pick up the crash course and we hope to see you there.